Skagway, the most people we've seen all trip. Very touristy little cruise ship terminal. So we're going to see what we can find. Maybe some lunch, maybe some gifts. Beautiful ride over on the ferry.
Yeah, man.
Hey,
how we doing? Come on down.
How are you?
On video, huh?
Yeah, on our YouTube.
Oh, okay, cool.
We're gonna get together. I'm gonna get one leg.
One leg.
And we got 2 of the root beers.
2 root beers.
St. Pete, Florida.
The line. Yeah, we'll take care of you when we get up here.
Yeah, we are. Long,
5812.
long. right, good afternoon, gentlemen.
Good.
Have a nice cruise?
Terrific so far.
Yeah. We're on the Columbia. We've been on the cruise ship since the 4th, right? Since Independence Day. And not been any great shows or poker or gambling, but it's been nice.
No music, no nothing. But it's okay. It's been very relaxing.
Yeah, yeah. Getting some good sleep.
Yeah. Great.
A lot of sleep,
Yeah.
since there's no other entertainment.
To entertain ourselves. So we last spoke. We were just arrived, or we were just getting ready to leave Toke. And so, how did that go?
I made it through with no incidents. There was a lot of rain, a lot of mud, but we got through it.
Yeah. A lot of rain, a lot of mud. What do you think?
It felt a little longer than the first time we went through. I think it was just because of the rain and the tempo of the ride back.
For sure.
It was still good.
Yeah, and we got to see a grizzly bear
That's right.
coming right down the middle of the road towards us, and I'm sure you're going to see a little video on that. So that was fun. I think Ted was a little nervous.
Yeah, my first grizzly bear encounter was coming right at me, so I had to
You
put
put the bike in reverse. You should have seen them legs pedaling.
Like Charlie Browners at the back it up. So we got through all the mud and no potholes for Tom or any of the rest of us. We stopped at Destruction Bay. Unbeknownst to us, we were not destined to go there, but we stopped for gas and Tom disappeared.
I'd had enough for today.
Tom was checked in before we even finished filling our tank, and that was nice. They had nice meals there, and made our way down the next morning to Haines City, Haines Junction. Past Haines Junction to Haines City. And what'd you think of the mountains there?
beautiful ride. Smooth roads. It's really nice and done.
Yeah.
Beautiful through the Haines, going into Haines.
Now that's part of Canada. And remarkable how much land is out there. It's just miles and miles and miles of nothing. No, I didn't see a telephone line. I didn't see an electric line. I think I saw one building. All there. Just remarkable. So we got through the port or through the customs back into the U.S. In the middle of those mountains, and rolled on into Haines City. And Haines City was a little smaller than I expected. How about you guys?
Very small. They were very quaint, small, but everybody we met there was very nice.
Yeah.
Nice to talk to them.
It's a friendly little town. We felt like locals after 2 days there.
Yeah, good food, really, really good fish, and we stayed in an old military base, old army base that was decommissioned, and this old fellow, the young fellow that owns it, he's struggling to keep it up, but it was really nice. We stayed, I think, in the captain's quarters, the main building, and had 2 bedrooms and 3 beds and all the room we needed, didn't it?
It was very comfortable. It was great.
More than we've had any other place.
It's the biggest space we've had.
Yeah, for sure. Here I'm getting used to sleeping on the floor. But that was nice, and we went up to Skagway, right?
That was a nice voyage up there. Nice town. Touristy town.
Yeah.
But it was nice to get there and walk around a little bit.
Yeah. A lot of big cruise ships.
Yeah.
But that's where the gold rush started. So we got to watch a little film about the gold rush.
And I got to have my red king crab legs at Wodie's.
Wodie's.
Good place if you ever get there.
Yeah. Wodie's, we got that from a bartender at a brewery. They said go to Wodie's, and I'm glad they told us that, because stopped at Juneau, saw the big glacier there coming out of the glacier field. Pretty big. I guess that glacier field's pretty big, right?
Yeah, it's fed 10 different mountains.
Yeah.
So that was pretty busy.
I think they said 1,500
Square miles of ice fields up above feet in Canada and Alaska.
And the base, just the base alone is 100 feet or more thickness.
Yeah.
Quite smart. Yeah.
But I don't recommend taking a taxi from the ferry terminal to Juneau.
A little pricey.
A little pricey. It was 25 miles, which was unexpected. In hindsight, we would have gone to the glacier, which was only 6 miles, but we had a little incident with it. That's right. We learned something from the taxi driver. So then we got back on the ferry, and the next day it was the next day, right?
Yeah.
We ended up in Ketchikan.
That was a nice visit too.
Yeah,
Nice little town.
Ketchikan was beautiful.
Yeah, smaller town.
Yeah.
You know, but and also a touristy location. We
Yeah.
found out.
Big cruise ships in there.
Yeah, the big ones were there.
Yeah. Well, we found a great restaurant.
Yeah. And what was it? Annabelle's? Annabelle's. Really nice. It's 1927, I think they said they opened. So that was nice. Then we got back on, and here we are. We had a nice rest. We'll get into Bellingham on Friday, and then we'll get some maintenance work taken care of.
Yeah.
So anything else, Joe?
New rim and oil change.
Yeah, new rim for Tom, oil change for Greg, and the air filter cleaning for me.
So we'll change for me.
Yeah.
We'll go off set to rock and roll again.
All right. We'll talk to you later.